Today, I want to share with you 10 well-known methods to make money from the comfort of your own home. These methods are tried and tested and can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. The first method is freelancing. There are many websites where you can find freelance work in a variety of fields, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Another popular method is starting a blog or YouTube channel. By creating content that people find valuable or entertaining, you can attract a large audience and monetize your platform through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. Many people are willing to pay for personalized advice and guidance to help them achieve their goals. Selling products online is another great way to make money from home. You can sell physical products through platforms like Etsy or Amazon, or digital products like ebooks or online courses. If you enjoy taking surveys or testing products, you can sign up for market research companies that pay for your feedback. This can be a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate can also be a lucrative way to make money from home. While there is some risk involved, with careful research and planning, you can potentially earn a significant return on your investment. If you have a talent for writing, you can become a freelance writer or copywriter. Many companies and websites are looking for talented writers to create content for their blogs, websites, and marketing materials. Another option is to become a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and customer service. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere and set your own hours. If you have a passion for photography, you can sell your photos online through stock photo websites or create your own photography business. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay for high-quality images for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. Finally, you can make money from home by starting an online store. Whether you sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or drop-shipped products, there are many platforms like Shopify or Etsy that make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money from home, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income. By exploring these 10 methods and finding what works best for you, you can achieve financial freedom and create the lifestyle you desire. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to making money from home.